Hi, everyone. Today we're going to tackle one of the most powerful integrations in the automation world, connecting n8n to Google services. Think of what we're about to do as building a secure bridge. n8n needs a special key to talk to your Google Sheets, Gmail, or Drive. By the end of this video, you'll have a permanent, secure connection that lets your workflows read emails, update spreadsheets, and manage files automatically. It might look a little technical, but we'll take it one click at a time. First, we need a place for our credentials to live. We're going to head over to the Google Cloud Console. At the very top, next to the Google Cloud logo, let's click on the Project dropdown. We'll click New Project in the top right of that pop-up. Let's give it a name we'll remember, something like n8n-integration-project. We'll leave the location as No Organization, unless you're on a Google Workspace account, and hit Create. Give it a moment to initialize. Once it's ready, make sure your new project is selected in the top bar. A new project is like an empty house. We need to turn on the utilities. In Google speak, these are called APIs. In the left-hand sidebar, hover over APIs and Services and select Library. In the search bar, let's type Google Sheets. Click it, and then click that big blue Enable button. Now we'll hit the back button and do the exact same thing for Google Drive API and Gmail API. By enabling these three, we're telling Google, yes, I want this project to have the permission to use these specific services. There. Come back to Google Cloud, click Add URI, and paste that link. Click Create. You'll now see a pop-up with your client ID and client secret. Keep these private. Copy the client ID and paste it into the corresponding field in n8n. Copy the client secret and paste it into n8n. Now, the moment of truth. Click the Sign In with Google button or Connect My Account inside n8n. A Google window will pop up. Select your account. Important. You might see a screen saying Google hasn't verified this app. Don't worry, that's normal because we just created it. Click Advanced, then click Go to n8n-automations unsafe. Click Allow on the permissions request. And look at that. Back in n8n, you should see a green badge that says Connection Successful. We've successfully built our bridge. Your n8n workflows can now reach into your Google account to automate your spreadsheets, manage your inbox, and organize your files. Remember, if you ever want to add more services, like Google Calendar, just go back to the API library and enable them for this same project. Happy automating!